friends, I just wanted to bring you this new recipe, and the name of this recipe is called Sin Pie. It is from a 1982 cookbook. I've never seen it or tried it. I found this book at my mom's and my mom and dad's house, so I wanted to try it. So some of the ingredients you're going to need is you're going to need some self-rising flour, 2 things of chocolate instant pudding or 1 large one, whipped topping, pecans, sugar, along with some other ingredients that I'll go over along the way. So you're going to want to first start off by taking your pecans or pecans, however you want to say it, and you're going to need 1/2 cup of those. You're going to want to just take something and beat them. I had a meat tenderizer is what I used to chop mine up, or you could just chop them up with a knife. This was easier for me. So you're just going to want to chop those up really good. So we're going to start out with the first layer, and the first layer is we're going to take the pecans that we have gotten chopped up or crushed up, however you chose to do yours, and we're going to start out by getting the 1 cup of self-rising flour, and you're going to want to use your 1/2 cup of pecans and put those in a bowl along with some butter. And so you're going to need 1/2 cup of butter, 1 stick. And so you're just going to want to go ahead and incorporate those together in here. So be sure that you take your 1 stick of butter and melt that down. You're going to want to incorporate it in the bowl, get everything mixed up, and you're going to want to put it in a pie dish. Be sure that you spray your pie dish with some non-stick spray. So once you get that completed, just be sure that you push it in. You're going to push all of it into the base of the pie dish. And you're going to just want to compact it down, and then you're actually going to brown that. And so you're going to brown it. You're going to put it on 350 degrees, and I think mine went for around 20 minutes, maybe 25. Keep an eye on it. Everyone's oven is a little different. You're just going to brown it a little bit. It's not going to rise or anything like that, but it does create a crust. This is what mine looked like after I baked it in the oven for a little while. This is how brown I got mine, and it was really a crispy, crusty crust. So we're actually going to start on the second layer. And the second layer is you're going to need 1 block of cream cheese that's going to go inside this mixer. And you're also going to need 3/4 a cup of sugar that's also going to go in. And you're just going to want to slowly put that sugar in with it. And it's granulated sugar, it's not powdered sugar. Granulated sugar is what's going to go in that second layer, along with half a container. I got a small container of whipped topping. You're going to put half that container inside this mixer, and this is going to be your second layer for Sin Pie. So you're just going to want to take your mixture and go ahead and place this on the pie crust. So at this point your pie crust has cooled. You've let it completely cool down before you put this mixture or the second layer on this pie. And you're just going to do that and spread it around, and then we'll get started on the third layer. So to do the third mixture, I'm going to use a regular hand mixer for this. You're going to need that pudding mix box, and I use chocolate. So you're also going to need, it actually says on the box and this recipe, 3 cups of milk, but the box says if you want it thicker for a pie, you use 2.5 cups. So I end up using 2.5 cups of milk for this because it is going to be a pie. So remember, this is a family size box of instant chocolate pudding. If you can't find the family size, then just get 2 regular small boxes will be just fine. So you're going to want to mix this third layer. You're going to mix it on low speed for 2 minutes, and then when you're going to see it start to see it thicken up, and once it gets thick, then you're going to spread that on top of your pie. So it's time to add the final layer. So this is the third layer of Sin Pie. In this old cookbook, my mom must have bought this cookbook at some point. Someone else had wrote in it marshmallows. So they may have added marshmallows to the top. That might be a good option too. But you could also add anything that you wanted to the top. But this is, you're just going to spread the instant chocolate pudding all over the top now. And the last thing that will go on this pie is the other half of your whipped topping. You can certainly make whipped topping with your mixer if you want to. I took the easy way out and bought a container, but you're just going to want to put the rest of it. Actually, it looks like it's a little more than half that's there, so that's fine. It's all good. It still eats. But actually, guys, this was a really good pie, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, I'm just leaving you with a picture of what it looks like after it's completed, and I hope you try it, and I'll see you in the next one.